Inulin is a real buzzword in the health industry at the moment and in the media, and with good reason. What it does is it reduces visceral fat. Now, visceral fat is that fat around the middle, so love handles, muffin top area. But there's more to it than that. It can also reduce fat around your internal organs, around your heart and your liver, so it's very, very good for cardiovascular health. It's a fibre. It often comes from the chicory root or from the agave plant, and because it's a fibre, it's going to help with digestion and also to regulate blood sugar levels. So if you've got cravings, if you're not regular enough, if you've got the fat around the middle, this is the ingredient for you. Good news about it is it's tasteless. You can just put it into some juice or into a little water, have it in the morning or in the afternoon. But another key use of it is for insomnia. Try it at night time, maybe about an hour before bed. Have 1 teaspoon in some juice and see if it can help you get to sleep better.